Hello and welcome to the channel. As you all know, we are doing long vowel E sound. We have covered the words which end in E and how long vowel E sound is produced there. We have also covered the words which have EA. That means two vowels are together and the first one is E. So E is producing its long vowel E sound. Today we are going to do the words which have double E. That means E and E. Now, before we begin with double E words, we are going to use the EA family words in digraphs. Let's begin with our first word. I hope you remember from the last lesson that EA is going to produce the sound of E because E is in the beginning and A will not produce any sound. So this becomes T, E. Now E is make E and A together is making a sound of E. So T, E and ending with Ch. So this becomes T, E, T, Ch. Teach. I am teaching you. So this is teach. Another word which has digraph and also has EA. So this is CH makes a sound of ch, ch, e, t, cheat. Ch, e becomes chi and ending with t becomes cheat. CH makes a sound of ch here as well. So ch, e becomes chi and ending with the p becomes cheap. Something which is not expensive is cheap. So we see how EA in the two vowels E is producing the long vowel E sounds. We have covered this before. We are just repeating what we have done before. So teach, cheat and cheap. Now let's begin with something new today. E, that is also called double E. The words which have double E. And what kind of sound does double E pair make? Now you can remember it as the same rule being applied. There are two vowels. The first vowel will have its long vowel sound. Now there are two E. The first one is E, so long vowel E sound. Now there are a lot of words in this category. Let's begin with our first one. N, E, D, need. I need your help. Need. N sound produced by alphabet N, and now double E is producing E sound because the first vowel is E and it is going to produce its long vowel E sound. So this becomes N, E. The next vowel is not making any sound. So N, E, D, need. Next one is seed. The seeds that you grow and pop a plant. So S, alphabet S is making the sound of S. This is E. So S, E, D, seed. SH is making a sound of sh, e, t, sheet. I need a sheet of paper, a piece of paper. So this is sheet. Need, seed, sheet. Meet. This meet is for getting together. Let us meet for lunch. So this is ma, beginning with ma, and double E is going to produce a sound of E. Ma, eat, meet. In the last lesson we did M-E-A-T. The non-vegetarian food. This is M-E-A-T, meat, and this is M-E-E-T, meat. These are homophones. So meat, meat, need, seed, sheet. This is a statement, so it will begin in capital and it will end in a period. I, the words that we just did, need. I need your, our sight word. I need your, hair, and LP is going to make a sound of lip, help, help. It's not going to be help. No, it's going to be help, help. The sounds are going to blend. So I need your help. We have used double E word here. Again, it is a statement. Let, us, let us. Now, I wrote go before, but that won't cover any double E word, so I crossed it out and wrote meet. Let us meet, M-E-E-T, meet, for, lunch. There's not going to be lunch. There's n sound. Make sure you don't forget the n, slight n sound blending with ch. So there's going to be lunch. Let us meet for lunch. I need your help. Let us meet for lunch. So that is the ending of long vowel E sounds. We are going to begin with next vowel for the long vowel I. I hope to see you very soon with the next lesson.